When I started my agency 3 years ago, I was cleaning toilets and mopping floor, and I had -7 pounds in my bank account. So I couldn't run ads like I'm running ads right now to get more clients. And the reason why I had this client for past 2.5 years is that I started doing Facebook group outreach and cold calling. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact way I got this client who are paying me $497 for past 2.5 years. And the last payment I got was August 17th, just a couple of days ago. And as you can see, this client has been with me for a long time. And this is just one of the client who's paying $497, and I have multiple clients just like this who is bringing me $25,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And if you don't have money to spend ads at the moment, watch this video until the end. I will show you how to get clients by using Facebook group outreach. So this is how I make 25K. I look for businesses who don't have a website. I sell them a free website and charge them our hosting fees from anywhere from $97, $297 to $497. And this is the services and packages we sell inside the agency. And not just that, we also get the setup fees for $2,000 to $3,000 for the 5-page website and the 10-page website. And again, you don't have to sell everything for free. Nothing in life is for free. The website is just going to take us 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to build. So when it's taking less than 5 minutes, we can just sell these websites. When we didn't have any AI coding or AI wipe coding softwares to build these websites, it's going to take us half a week or like more than 2 to 3 weeks. So that makes sense to sell these websites for $3,000, $5,000, or even $6,000. But now you can just build these websites in 5 minutes. That's why we're giving them for $97, $297 to $497 for all the features we have. So as you can see, they're not just going to pay $497 just for the website. It doesn't make any sense. So that's why we have all these features. Let's say lead capturing system, CRM, AI chatbot, Google review, payment processor, calendar booking, mobile app, everything which you don't have to build anything by yourself. That's why we have this software called Go High Level. I'm pretty sure you heard about this software. This is how we build these websites with the help of just prompting. You can just build these websites for less than 30 seconds if you know how to prompt. And by the end of this video, I will let you know how to make use of everything what I'm using inside my agency. If you sign up to Go High Level with my link, I will leave a free trial down in the description if you want to make use of Go High Level to start your own agency. If you used my link to start your, and if you use my link to sign up to Go High Level and start paying for the subscription, you will get the entire thing which we're going to see in this video. The pitch deck we have seen, this entire prompt. This is the exact pitch deck which myself and my coaching members are using to close all of their clients. So you will get access to this if you use my link, or if you already have Go High Level, and if you can switch your affiliate under mine where you don't have to pay me anything, you'll get access to my community and everything inside the community, which I will show you in a minute. First of all, to get clients, you have to go inside your Facebook and go inside group and search for local business advertising group. For example, let's say London local business advertising group. Just pick a location and advertising group. The reason why I'm asking you to join the advertising group is that when I realized all the people who are inside these groups are local businesses who are promoting their own business, and none of the people who are inside the groups are consumers. All of them are advertisers for their local business. And this is what we need. A group or a place filled with our target audience. So you are going to join 10 to 20, 15 groups a day, and stop when you have 200 groups inside your account. And you're going to start posting the pitch. And this is how everything should be. How to get clients, we have cold calling and Instagram DM, which is for another different video. But in this video, we're going to concentrate on Facebook group. So before, we used to do this pitch, which I showed the entire pitch 6 months ago. Everyone started doing it. No one is getting clients. But right now, I am using a different pitch, which is this. As you can see, 8 comments, 9 comments, 12 comments, and another 9 comments. These are not just comments. These are potential clients who want to work with you. The reason why I'm not showing the pitch itself is that it's working right now. It's working for my coaching members. So I don't want to ruin this for everyone else. If everyone starts doing the same thing, no one is going to get clients. The reason why it's working is that not everyone is getting access to this just by watching the video and misusing the same script again and again, where the admins are pissed at you and no one is going to get clients and everyone is going to kicked out of the groups. And as you can see, this is one of my coaching member, and he asked me if I'm doing cold outreach. Right now, I'm only running ads. I can't be bothered with cold outreach, but as you can see, he's just doing Facebook group outreach. No ads, and he's close to making 10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So you should listen to what I'm trying to say. This is working. The reason why it's working is that not a lot of people are doing it. Only the people who are inside the community know what's working. And this is how I get these kinds of comments. Bro, I joined too many groups and all showing that wait for admin's approval, but admin not approve my post, then what do I do now? If you're just joining the groups and just spamming the post everywhere, it's not gonna work. And that's the reason you guys are not getting any clients. Yes, you'll get access to the script. For example, let's say when you're inside the community. So this is the community you will get access to when you sign up to my Go High Level with my link, or switch your affiliate under mine if you already have Go High Level. As you can see, people are lately killing and making actual money with Go High Level and with the help of my community. So this is where you get access to the client acquisition strategy, and this is where you get access to the Facebook group script. So you have step-by-step process and myself explaining what to do and what not to do. Right now, this screen will be blurred because I don't want everyone else doing it. And if everyone is doing it, no one is going to get clients. Keep that in mind. And once you have gone through every single step, I'm damn sure you are going to end up with clients in just 1 week. As you can see, 10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and he's not running ads. He's just doing Facebook group outreach. And because of you guys, when I actually showed my strategy, it actually backfired me and I didn't get any clients, because as you can see, all of my posts started going to admin's approval instead of just posting it, because these groups are open. Admins don't have to approve these posts. But sometimes shit happens. And as you can see, 2 posts in admin approval, but the new post has been approved. And 2 posts, and 1 post in admin approval in pending. But guess what? Just now, and just now. And this is the reason, my script is the reason it's not going to admin's approval. It's posting straight away. And just because of these posts, I get more comments. Potential clients want to work with me. You don't have to spend any money on these ads, money on these posts. You get actual clients with these comments. Not all of these comments are going to turn into clients. As you can see, I'm not going to lie to you guys. As you can see, 8, 9, 12, 9. These are just people who are interested in your services. I'm pretty sure you can have, let's say, 2 bookings on this, 3 bookings on this, 4 bookings on this 12 comments again, or maybe just 1 booking on this 9 comments. It may vary. It may go up and down. That's the reason I ended up dropping with the Facebook group. And since I have money to spend on the ads, I'm running ads. If I didn't have money on the ads, I'd probably do Facebook groups, which I was doing myself personally to get those clients 2 to 3 years ago when I just started my agency. And this is how it goes. When you get the comment, you send them a DM and reply to the comment, hey, I have sent you a DM. And inside the DM, you get the email and book a call with them. And make use of the call and close these clients. Build the website, make use of the comments, build the website, and after building the website, show the website on the sales call, and make use of my pitch deck, which is this, which you all also get access to inside the community. And once you got the client, you can ask them to give you a testimonial and make use of the testimonial to start running more Facebook groups. So this is one of the testimonial and the video, and I started posting this on other groups. And sometimes you can get people like this. Hey, I saw your post about free website, and I'm sure that positions are already filled because we only have few slots filled out. Could you do a landing page for me, for my business? Happy to pay. There you go. And sometimes you end up having really great days like this. 63 comments. Epic. And sometimes people are skeptic, like, why is it free? And since I have an Indian name and I'm a brown guy, when people see the Indian name, people straight away think it's a scam. Don't get me wrong, this is not racism, it's actually happening, so I kind of have to be strong. So that's why I have these kinds of proofs to show people who are asking like this. Any way to know, is this a legitimate or not some kind of scam? This blows my mind. We are doing something for free. What we are getting out of this? We are the one who is getting scammed before we are delivering the service for free. So sometimes people don't have common sense. Common sense is not common anymore. So they don't have enough energy to think for themselves. So that's why we have testimonials. So if you go inside a flow, make use of my script, get comments, book a call with them, build the website with the Go High level, close the clients, actually showing the website with my pitch deck. And after building the website, get the reviews, and with the help of the reviews, get rid of the skepticism of the clients, and you can get more clients when you have more trust between you and your clients, and people are actually willing to pay for your services. And it's not just working for me, as you can see, Andre, 16 meetings and 6 clients with just one post. That's how powerful it is. And Andre is making $5,000 to $6,000 a month right now, and he just quit his job. Just quit his job and doing crazy with his business. And that's how strong this system is. I know you may feel like I'm putting this behind a paywall where I'm not asking you to pay me anything. You can get access to this script and everything else we watched in this video for free. If you already have a Go High level account, you can switch your affiliate under mine. If you're stuck with 2 to 3 clients, you can actually scale your agency just like Jamie did. 10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. You can get access to everything for free by signing up to Go High level or switching your affiliate under mine. If you want to know how to switch, leave me a message on Instagram. Link is in the description. Make use of the script, start posting, and follow through with all the rules I have. If you don't follow the rules, you're going to be kicked out, you're going to be banned, or your post is not going to be approved, which is the reason most of the people are not willing to do the outreach. If you follow every single step I have inside the community, you will be approved for the post. You can get more comments, more booked meetings, more clients. More clients means more money. If everyone is doing the same outreach, no one is going to get clients. The only reason I have 50 members, I only have 50 members inside the community, because I don't let everyone in, and I don't want the lazy bums to ruin my business and my community members' business. So if you are actually willing to put some effort into making money and get more clients, if you are willing to switch your affiliate under mine, or if you're willing to sign up to Go High level with my link, get access to everything for free, start closing more clients, and chill just like me. I was cleaning toilets a couple of years ago, and now I'm traveling full time, and some of my coaching members have quit their job and doing this full time. This is how you get your financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. And I hope you got some value out of this video. I will make more videos on how to get clients with cold outreach and by running ads. And if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.